Right, Ninja, you're being a right scallywag. It's raining out, so he won't go out. Hey, where you going now? When I got up this morning, he'd got Sue's cotton wool pads that she uses for taking her makeup off, of cleaning her face and stuff. And they were everywhere, weren't they? And some were down the toilet, weren't they? And then he's trying to play with Marvel, but Marvel's not in the mood. So then he tried playing with Harry. Harry doesn't know what play is, so he thought it was a fight, and they ended up fighting. Ninja, Ninja. What's this? What's this? You've had yours, Marvel. You've had yours. Yours are down there. Right, Marvel. Harry. Ninja. Ninja, look. Look what I've got. Wait, look. What's that? What's that? No? What? You what? Marvel. You've had yours. That's for Ninja. Get off. Ow! Fuck! Ow, that fucking hurt, you little bastard.
Leave it, leave it.
That really... I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. He got me with his claw. Ninja, that's for you. Well, this didn't work out quite as planned. Marvel, look what you've done to me. I know you didn't mean it. You're not interested, Ninja? I am absolutely stunned and shocked. You can have it, Marvel. Ow. Look what you've done to me. See?
Yeah, get plaster on it.
Oh, I don't need a plaster. I just run it under the tap. You don't want it. Now I'm confused. I'm really confused. What is wrong with you? What's going on with you today? How come you haven't taken it off Marvel and run off with it? What's going on?
Don't you?
What, that?
That ultimately Marvel is bigger and stronger than him.
Yeah, but
And that if he
Ninja...
wants
Oh,
something-
because Marvel always lets Ninja win in a scrap. Because Marvel's nice. But when it comes to, hold on a minute, this is mine... Ninja knows that Marvel's going to win.
Yeah.
Because he's giant, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're
So
probably
he's
right.
really-
You're probably right.
He thinks my big brother really wants this.
Yeah,
And I'll actually get hurt
yeah,
if I don't give it to him.
yeah, that could be it. Right, we'll have to get Ninja another one. And make sure he has it when no one else is around. Which is going to be difficult because Marvel doesn't go out much. We'll have to lock them up separately. Or does it actually matter? I feel like Ninja's lost out on something. After he destroyed the house this morning because he was bored because it was raining and he wouldn't go out. I think he's had enough fun, don't you? Marvel, that's all yours, mate. You win that one. Ninja can't have one. He's not getting one. You were a good boy all day. It's been raining, but you've been good. Ninja's been naughty, naughty, naughty. This is your reward. Ninja gets nothing. And my finger stopped bleeding. I put pressure on it. It wasn't his fault. I took it off him and he went to grab it and one of his claws went straight in between my nail and the side of my finger. Oh, and it hurts. But it's fine. It was an accident. You enjoy that, mate. Here we go. Marvel started it actually, and it looked like Marvel was saying to Ninja, "Hey Ninja, look what I've got. Come and see this. Have a go." And Marvel started cuddling, like he is now. Look, no claws out, cuddling Ninja because he's high as a kite and all feeling loved up. But Ninja doesn't get it. Ninja, 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 Ninja. What's this? What's that? What is it? You're not interested. Why are you not interested in that? Marvel gave it to you. He wanted you to join in. Don't you get it? They do say that some cats are not interested in catnip.
Do they?
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. What's Ninja doing? It's catnip. It's catnip, Ninja. Look. Marvel's giving it to you. He wants you to join in. What do you think to that? You don't know what to do? Is it because you're still a baby? The bags don't stay white long. As soon as they get their drool into it, it's like a used tea bag. Go on, enjoy that. Look, Marvel's watching you. He wants you to have it. Or does he want it back? No, he wants you to have it. He wants you to have that catnip, Ninja. Oh, look, now Ninja started to rub his face on it. No? Doesn't seem to like it too much. Yeah, you one of those cats that doesn't... No, he's not interested. Not interested in catnip. This Ninja. That's because he's had the hard stuff. Yeah, when he had his operation and had him on the anaesthetic, when he woke up from the anaesthetic, he went mental. Didn't he, Marvel? I guess... Oh, bless. No claws out, it's just loving scrap. And Marvel started it. Hey! Peace pipe. Peace pipe. It's peace pipe. Ninja, you're covered in it. What is going on with you, mate? You zonked. You zonked out. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh well, we've learnt something new. I don't need to buy 3 packets of catnip. I only need 2. One for Marvel, one for Harry. And they're not cheap either. £5 each they were. And Ninja's not interested. What a waste of money. Ninja? You really don't care, do you? You're really not interested, are you? That's fine. That's fine.